Beautiful day here in Orange Beach, Alabama. If this is your first time finding my channel, thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching the videos. I'd also like to invite you to check out the playlists. I have a playlist for Orange Beach and Gulf Shores, Alabama that show different things to see and do down around the Alabama Gulf Coast, festivals, events, beach scenes, storm video coverage, and much more.
18 inches, here they come.
I also have a Hawaii playlist that highlights and showcases different things to see and do on the island of Oahu, and also at Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa. There's a playlist for Walt Disney World that shows different park tours, point of view ride tours, deluxe resort, room tours, other things, anything Walt Disney World, festivals, parades. There's also a Disneyland playlist that does the same for Disneyland. Disneyland park tours, point of view rides, park comparisons. If you haven't already done so, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it does help the analytics of my channel, helps it to grow. Thank you for watching the videos, thank you for subscribing, and see you with more videos. So in summary, my YouTube channel is a collection of my passions and interests. Different playlists, divide them up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you enjoy the videos.